Take a potato. Now take a knife and make a small hole inside the potato enough to fit a bulb. Take 2 magnets and place on each side of potato. Take a copper wire. Now insert the copper wire into these magnets and insert ends into potato. Repeat it. Now place the bulb in the hole. Wow! See, potato can be used to generate electricity. Moral is, potato juice contains many water-soluble chemicals that may cause a chemical reaction with one or both of our copper wire. So we get some electricity from that.